This is a Marathon Black Max inverter duty motor. The part number on this, you can see right there, is 56H17T5302EK. Max safe RPM is 5400. And then so it's an inverter motor, so it says 60 hertz. It'll do 1750 RPMs. That's basically how I have it hooked up right now. Actually, see, it says 460, but actually it's wired for 230. And then this also has this Stearns brake on it. And that is a KIT BM6BRK, but the model number is 105-602-100015. Revision B, 6 foot-pounds. And then you can click this. Oh, I had it off. So that's releasing it. Normally, it doesn't have power going to it anyways. They cut the wire. On the other side of this piece is an Ironman Grove gear. That is a GR818054 0540.16, GR-HMQ81815 H15616. So we're reading off a piece of paper. Here are the specs on it. It's also got this, it's got an eye right here. See that? I can't see the part number on it. It's too small. But I just noticed that when I was clicking on the other piece. Here's the other side. This one's got a belt. The other one doesn't. We have two of these. Both were tested. All I did was strip the wire out. The little plug is right there. Anyways, let me power this on and you can see it working. Hold on, I'm going to set this down for one. No, better not. Just in case. I might knock my phone off. Oh. But hear it running. Nice and quiet. And that's the unit. If you got questions or concerns, I can show you. That's the other one. Same exact unit. Supposedly they were never put into service. There's really no signs of use. I mean, they're not dirty. They're pretty clean units. But I'm going to call them used anyways. But that's them. Thank you.